Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Check the power supply. Ensure the power cord is firmly connected to both the Xbox and the outlet. Reset the power supply. Unplug for 10 seconds, then reconnect. Try a different outlet. Confirm the outlet works by testing with another device. Inspect the power brick. Make sure it isn't damaged. Hard reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until it shuts off, then restart. If none of these work, contact Xbox support.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.